Hello.
Hi everybody, Miss Hudson here, and I have my friend Andrash with me, and Andrash is going to tell us a little more about number bonds. So Andrash, let's start with the shape of a number bond. What does a number bond look like?
Three circles and two lines.
3 circles and 2 lines. Can you draw that for me? Can I see what that looks like? Okay, there's 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 1 line, 2 lines. Excellent. So this is one way to draw a number bond. And Andrash, let me ask you, is this also a number bond?
Yes.
And how about this? Is this also a number bond?
Yes.
Okay, and what about this? Is this also a number bond?
Yes.
Okay, so the number bond is made up of 3 circles and 2 lines, but we can rotate it any way we want. All right. So now, how do we use a number bond? What do these different circles mean? Like, what is this one?
This is the whole.
Okay, so this is the whole, and these 2 are parts. So this is a part, and this is a part. Okay, so let's do an example here real quick. What should we start with the whole, or would you like to start with parts? Okay, what number do you want to use for a whole?
6.
Okay, so go ahead and fill in 6 on the whole part, or I should just say on the whole circle. And now, what would go here? If I had, say, 6 markers, here's 6 markers. If I had 6 markers, what could be one part that we could find in between these 6 markers?
3 and 3.
So we could do 3 and 3. So why don't you go ahead and fill in those parts? We could do 3 and 3. And now if we go back to our 6 markers, what's another set of parts that we could make with our 6 markers?
2 and 4.
So we could do 2 and 4. All right, let's fill in another number bond. 6, 2, and 4. Okay, going back to our 6 markers, is there another way that we could make a number bond?
1 and 5.
Okay, we could do 1 and 5. All right, let's fill in another one of these number bonds. 1, 5, 6. Oh, your 5 is backwards. Do you want to fix that? And while he's fixing that, he's probably thinking that maybe the next number bond could be something like these 6 markers. What are you thinking?
6 plus 0.
Okay, so we could have 6 and 0. All right, let's see what that looks like on our last number bond. All right, and one last question. If I were to take this number bond, for example, could I take out these parts 2 and 4 and instead write them like this? A 4 over here and the 2 over here? Would that be okay?
Yes.
Okay. So you can flip the parts of the number bond, but the whole number is always going to be the one that the other 2 circles are connected to. These are like paths where the 4 and the 2 lead back to the 6, or you start with 6 and you break it apart into 4 and 2. So that's a number bond. Do you have anything else to tell us about number bonds? Nope. Okay, let's say bye. Bye. See you later.